Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Are there things a cat might do? We've got purr and with scratch. Leave and flee are just synonyms, but they're sort of a different group, aren't they? These 4 are the sort of war-related things. They mean to pull out of a war, essentially, don't they? Let's go for these. I mean to turn tail. Right. What next? You can do an about turn. Ah, no. That's maybe the red herring for the turn tail group. So what's it going to be instead? What else are we going to have? A cottage, a home, a shed. They're all buildings. It's a bit vague and I can't see a fourth one. Need is a synonym of, or a homonym of need. Goat is an acronym. Greatest of all time. I suppose cats play with string. Maybe it's purr, scratch, string. Feels unsatisfactory if that is the group. What is contact? Contact number? Login and contact, I suppose, are details that somebody might ask for, or a website might ask for. I suppose you could go home and you could find find out about the site as well, maybe. But I'm really not at all confident of that being a group either. What else? Scratching post? Scratch post? Shed post? Cottage post? None of these are things, are they? So what are we going to do instead? Contact info. Need is something you do to bread. Nothing else. Or to dough, I suppose. But nothing else is to do with dough or bread making, really, is it? Cottage cheese, goat's cheese, string cheese, perhaps, and cream cheese? That's worth trying. They are all cheeses, okay, we're making good progress now. Only 2 more groups to find, and obviously as soon as we find one, we'll have the other one by default. I'm still thinking it could be these 4. Because they're all they all seem vaguely connected to something you might need to do on a website or a form. But I'm not convinced, and I don't know what the other 4 would be. Purr, need, shed, scratch. Is this worth a shot? I don't know what I'm going to do instead. It is correct, they're just pages on a website. Fair enough. And then these 4 are things that cats do. That's also what I said. I just don't know what need is in that context. But I didn't need to know. Oh, and I didn't think of shed in that context either, did I? They shed hair, of course. But I didn't need to work it out. I got close enough. And I got all the connections. That is a perfect connections game. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.